friends on YouTube and members of the ForecastEDGE trading community. Matthew here with another futures trading video. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is executing trades using prop accounts. Okay, so what is that? This is going to be my prop account that is in the testing phase through Apex Trading. Okay, OPM, other people's money. What we're doing here is we sign up for a subscription using Apex Trading, Top Step, a ton of other prop firm accounts. Okay, and what we do is instead of putting all of our risk capital into a trading account, we pay them to put the risk capital in trading accounts for us, and then they test us. If we pass these tests, we get funded accounts, PA accounts. Okay, and these are where you as an individual trader can get paid out and use these prop accounts to produce profits, real profits that you can wire right to your own bank accounts. Okay, so in today's video, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Okay, we had a little crossover here. We're going to get long in the markets, and we're going to get short in the crude. Okay, that's how we feel on this. We got a little cross, we got these, and then here is the crude. Okay, we'll sell those. Okay, trying to sell those. Okay, we're long the overall markets and we're short the Qs, or short the crude oil. Okay, and as you can see up here on the trade table, it tells me that I'm long for at 7,529 and 3/4. Okay, that's what it's stating for us. Okay, that's what you see there. And that's the average price for our ES contracts. Okay, all right. Which, if we get across to the downside, we'll reverse positions. Okay, we'll see how this plays itself out here. Okay. And I feel it. I'm reversing, and it's okay to reverse too, guys. Selling two more. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the crude and reverse that also. Okay, now we are short the markets and long oil. Okay, we'll see how these will play themselves out, right? Let's see. And we can see these contracts, right? So at the top, short 6MES, which is the S&P 500 micro futures contract. Okay, that is what the MES is. Okay, and M6 is standing for the front month, which is June, right? And here we are. We got our M and Q, and we're short just about at 29,972 and a quarter. Okay, and let's see if they start working for us. Okay, get some really nice downside pressure on these ones. We could be seeing these 17s, right, and lower. And we got the oil too, that we're long in the oil. Okay, for quick, we'll do quick scalps on these ones too. Okay, watch. 4 over here, 6 on this side, 4 on the crude. Okay, and we're gonna see how it reacts right now. 89.54 is going to be important for the crude to break through. Okay. See if we'll get across to the downside on the NASDAQ here. We'll see. Insurance. No problem. And again, this is just how you use these prop accounts to execute trades using the futures contract, okay? We got a good spot here. Let's see what happens when crude starts touching this. Okay, see if it can get through this. Here we go. 30,000 and a half again. That's what it looks like. This is the 27 level. Let's see. Somehow, liquidation. Okay, reversing again. Okay, we just reversed. Reversing here. Where are we going here? Reverse. Okay. And this is what we're looking for. Okay. I'm gonna watch. It seems like it's decided that the crude wants to keep continuing to the downside, being down 4% today. Maybe we'll see these 33s again. Okay. And we wait and let these positions take over, okay? That's all it is. Shorten the crude. Movement stops. $96. All right. We look like we might get these 30 and a halves again, okay? If you do, you might see 71s. Crude's lower the days, way lower. We got crude down here. Drawing, we'll lose our lines here. Right? And it's all about being comfortable and being adaptable. Like you don't have to marry any of these trades. Ins, outs, that's it. Nice, we might be getting a sell in gold too. Right, so I got the NASDAQ on, I got the ES on, I got crude on. They did 88.5 on crude. Yeah. Looking for it. 88.5, 87.90 is the low of the day for crude. 87.90 is the low of the day for crude. Good. Let me make sure. All right, all is well over here. All is looking good. Big money steps in moments like this. That's right. Watch. Well, watch this. So, 14, 1560, right? Okay. Watch what happens when they start really ripping. See. And sex so kind of and kind of not. See crude get down. Crude's on a down day. Okay? That's the truth. Crude is a down day. This is 89.60. Let's see what happens. The last one. Okay. Just make sure that we're being involved with that. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. You see a crude just fall out of bed. Because you see these like 34s, that will get back up to this 39.5. And you can watch it right here, 39.5. It's already a $300 swing. Beautiful. And it will. Juice could get to that 30. Everything starts working in the way it's supposed to. Then you can start trimming positions. Right? Like I want to trim my position when it gets to the 200-day moving average, right? So I'm going to sell 2. Right? I'll sell 2 for a profit at this range. I'll sell 2 more at the top of this. And my last one at my profit target. You know? Even something like this. Oh, see crude oil going now. What do we say? So we'll take 1 here. Bought 1 back there. Right? And I'll buy 2 back on this one. And we'll still be in a good position here. There you go. 700. And just stay with your trades. This is the best part of the trading community, is that all you have to do now is stay with your trade. Put your stop there. Alright, buy stop. This is all winning trade. This is a whole winning trade. No matter what I get stopped out on, all will cover profits there. And that's just a 96. I think it's got it. I think this thing gets down 88.5, maybe lower. Alright, you can check out the cues. This one continues to fall out of bed. Beautiful. Look at that. So what I'll do instead, I change this from 2 to 1. Alright, and then I pick spots to take profit just like this. Buy one stop. All those are covered now, okay? So good RES play. Sell 2. Okay. Same difference now. Sell 2, stop there. Sell 2, stop here. All are in profits, okay? 10 Qs here, right? Sell 1. Still got 4 on. Okay? So stop, right? Go like this. See? Locked in money, locked in profits on all of the contracts that we're trading. Okay? And that is practically $900. As you've seen, you've seen the actual calculator right there, so you're seeing it happen live. Do I think the Qs will get there? Let's see. Well, it's 30.5 is what they're looking for. Okay. 30.5 is big. Up to 48.5. We'll see. Because even if it doesn't, what's beautiful is that we are locked in with profits. And that, again, all it was is short oil, long the markets. You're watching it. 11.5, 10 on the board. Uh-oh, yep. 13s. 13.5. It wants that 30s, almost halfway to 30. Right? 10s, 13s. Who wants to buy it up there? Let's see it. And we're locked in on profits. Right? That's the best part of the whole thing, is everything that you see in front of us is locked in for profit. It will be stopped out, but if it's stopped out, we still make money. It's really something. NASDAQ wants those 30s. NASDAQ wants those 30s. It's got to make its mind up. Oh yeah, 30s up. Get those 30s going. Get those 30s. What? Get those 30s out of here. You see? There we go. Starting to cruise a little bit. Watch this. No. This is where we start covering again. On those 30s. You see? Which is just at the wick high of that. If you can hold it, you'll see. Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with that. The 15s, guys. 15 away. 15.5. I'll sell one too. Just to lock in some profits. It's just showing that we're locking in profits, guys. Name of the game. Profits. And I'm continuously moving it a little bit lower every time. I'm locking more profit in, right? I'll take 2 on the 200-day moving average for this one. I'll do my other 2 right here. Here's our NASDAQ. Flying back. Yep, that's almost 1,000. There you go, guys. You saw it right here. 1,000. It's down 14.9 something. It's 1,000 back right now. And counting. What's most important is knowing how to lock in your profits, guys. Like this, too. You can even do this. Keep myself in the trade, right? If I'll stop 2, right? I'd change it to 1. I have all of mine on there. There's your 30s, guys. Definitely taking 1. I took 1 back, okay? Because that is the level that we were talking about. Now what I'll do, you go here, below this candle that's forming, sell stop 1, okay? Cancel this one. I go here, sell stop 2, all locked in for profits, guys. And crude oil still going down. Okay? This one's easy. All of them are locked in profits, guys. Right in front of us. Right? We'll see what it closes out at. It's okay, too. That was going to be a tough spot for it to be anyways. I know. All good, guys. That's all good. Maybe. Here we go, guys. See. Okay. Nice. Cover over here in the crude. Okay. I'm just covering in the crude right there. I got 2 long. I'm still long 2 in the NASDAQ, short 3 in the crude oil, and long 4 in the ES, which is awesome. I'm not afraid to take a little profit there too. I'll take profit. Just like this. 200-day moving average. That's how you guys do it. That's how we do it. The exact way to do it, guys. Managing over here real quick. Excuse me for a moment. Nice. Nice. 100, guys. It's 1,500 back. Okay? You're watching it. Move this up to here. Okay? Move this up to about. Keep it on the 34 if we want to keep 1 runner. That's where it would be. And that's just locking in profits, guys. Crude oil. I mean, we're still in the crude. Go to the top of this one for the crude today. Okay? Incredible, right? You see how I moved the 2? I'm taking profits on 2 higher. Okay? See it. Here you go, guys. Look at this. Number down here. This is what you're looking at. You guys saw it all day long. 1478, now it's 100. Look at this. Oh yeah. Definitely. Yep. Take some profits on this one at the top, right? Take one there. Take one there. There you go, guys. Look at this. How about that? Okay. What I'm gonna do. Selling 2. Keeping 2 on. Closing my NASDAQ. Alright. Keeping my crude on. Okay. Keeping the crude on. And just like that, guys, we have had a pretty much a $1,500 swing from down to break even. Okay? And that's how you do it. With runners, right? So what we have left is what we call runners, okay? Got this, looking at here, boom. Flattened, flattened, beautiful. Look at this. We'll get this green, we'll close them out. Pretty awesome, guys. That was a really, really great comeback here. And all it ever was following position. That was it. That's all it was. For the team, let's see this. Alright, guys. I'll drop it right when I see it open up. See how it opened up a little bit? It's gonna open up again. And right when it does, you drop this down. See? Has to go under your finger though. Ready? When it does, you will let go. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Hello. Oh. Not yet. So my stops will be where they are up there. I'm not dropping this until it gets down below this piece. Okay? And if it does, when it does, like in 5, 4, 2, 1. Bangers. Ready? Okay, go. Take one at the top then. See? Taking one at the top. Moving this down a little bit. I switched up on you. I tricked it. Watch me trick it. Go ahead and fall out of bed. Look at this. It's like a cliff. If it just goes a little lower, it's going to fall out of bed. We're watching it. Oh, yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. There we go. Got it, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful day. Okay. Look at that. In the green. From red, 1400 to break even. Closing all the positions here. Okay, guys? Again, with the Forecast Edge, don't just predict profit. If you want to join our trading community, go to our website, ForecastEDGE.com. Join for our trading community. We're doing 2 weeks free, so I highly recommend you guys jumping on that. Again, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave comments of what financial instruments and or markets you guys want us to be covering and doing videos on. And with that, don't just predict profit. Catch you in the next one.